Hey guys, how's it going? How to fix battery draining fast on iPhone. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to fix that problem. Now what we're gonna do first, in order to fix that problem, we're gonna reduce the app refresh to slow down the battery drain. So how do we do that, right? Well, what we're gonna do, we're gonna just go ahead to our main settings, right? And then basically what we're gonna do, we're gonna just go ahead to the basically, let me go to my settings and try to find, or I can search right here, background, right? Background app refresher, okay? And then I'm gonna be able right here to notice, let me shut down this one. Then basically select the app that you want to actually, you want to background refresh. So let's have an example, let's have an example that we want to reduce Instagram background refresh or TikTok, right? So we need to shut it down in order to do that. And maybe let's say Pinterest, okay, something like that. That will help us actually reduce that battery drain. So basically now what we're gonna do in order to fix that problem, right? So we're gonna do the method 2, enhance battery health, but to slow down the battery drain. How to do that? So go back, okay, go back, and then basically what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead to that battery right here, right? And you're gonna notice that in our battery, if we went to health and charging, you're gonna see that there is a problem in the battery, right? So you need to replace the battery in order to fix that problem. And basically, you need to know the levels in order to see where the problem is and how to actually fix it. So basically now what we're gonna do, we're gonna go to an official provider that can replace the battery to restore the full performance and in the in the performance and the capacity. So basically now what we're gonna do, in order to fix that problem, you can go ahead to your battery and use the low power mode like I do, or you can just go ahead to your control center by swiping down and click the low battery mode to actually fix it. There is a method 3, which is free up storage to slow down the battery drain. And basically by going to your general and then iPhone storage, you're gonna just see which app that actually consumes a lot of storage. Okay, so let's have an example that you have this app, right? So you're gonna go ahead to this app and you're gonna offload so you can release some of the unnecessary data or files. Or if it was your photos, just go ahead to your photos and just upload the or delete the basically the photos and the videos that you don't actually need. Okay, you have the last method, which is downgrade, right? Downgrade your phone to slow down the battery drain. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna just go back, right? And basically what we're gonna do, I need to basically not use the newest update, right? Because that will take a lot of storage. So you need to downgrade to iOS 17.5, which requires from you to actually go use a third-party method, which is illegal kind of, so you can't actually do that legally. So if you want to do it, just use Reboot, which is a website. Let me show it to you. Go back to your screen. I'm gonna show it to you. Reboot, right? That's a website that allows you to downgrade your iPhone to, I don't know, 70.5, whatever it may be, to reduce basically the storage of your iPhone. So that's one way to do it. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. We will definitely see you in the next one.